Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. After a long day, we want to make a nice dinner and not worry about a pile of dishes after. This is why one-pot meals are so popular. On the side, I have a ton of them, like beef coconut curry, arroz con gambas, Moroccan kefta tagine, pork vindaloo, cauliflower fried rice, and more. Now, here's a new one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Chicken Vesuvio. This is an incredible comforting dish. With chicken thighs, potato wedges, and onions, roasted in a lovely white wine lemon garlic sauce, plus added green peas at the end, this one-pot meal is sure to please everyone. So my friends, let's get cooking. After patting them dry, we'll generously season our bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with the two usual suspects: ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then set them aside for now. Next, in a large bowl, we'll add potato wedges and pearl onions. I have a great trick to easily remove the skins, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. To this, we'll drizzle on about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just enough to coat, and stir well before adding some Italian seasoning, which you can get by clicking on the link showing at the top right corner. We'll also season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir once again and set aside as well. All right, let's move on to the stove. In a 5-quart baking dish over medium heat, we'll start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And when it gets hot, working in batches, we'll place the thighs skin side down and season the top generously with salt and pepper. Now, if you see they're sticking too much, add more oil. That's what I did. I added 2 more tablespoons. We'll cook them until golden brown on both sides and transfer to a plate. The next step is to add the potato mixture to the baking dish, scraping out any yumminess left in the bowl, and saute the ingredients until golden, stirring often. That should take about 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 1 minute so it doesn't burn. Now, using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer the ingredients to a bowl and set them aside while making a sauce. Back to our baking dish. We'll pour in white wine and deglaze the dish by scraping the bottom to dislodge any brown bits. Then we'll add chicken broth as well as freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll give a quick stir before carefully returning the potato mixture to the dish, as well as the chicken thighs, skin side up, including any accumulated juices. We won't leave any deliciousness behind. That's not going to happen. We'll transfer to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes or until the thigh's internal temperature reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit and the potato wedges are tender. We'll transfer the chicken, the potato wedges, and onions to a plate, leaving the juices in the baking dish. We'll turn the heat on medium, and when it starts simmering, we'll add a couple tablespoons of butter and whisk until melted. This will give a nice finish to our sauce. To this, we'll add semi-thawed frozen peas, stir very well, and cook them for 2 to 2.5 minutes or until tender. We're allowed to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. I'm serious. And that's it. We're ready to eat. And my friends, this is our Chicken Vesuvio. As you saw, This one-pot recipe is incredibly flavorful and easy to make. With great ingredients and a delicious white wine lemon garlic sauce, this is a satisfying meal to enjoy on weeknights. After trying it, it won't surprise me if it becomes one of your go-to recipes. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!